Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Olivia. Let's start our first problem. Fill in the squares with the correct answer. Can you guess it? I will give a hint. Both answers are same. And the answer is not mathematical symbols such as plus, minus, times, and divide. It's also not a number. The squares seems like to give you a trick. If you change the size of the square, you immediately realize the correct answer. The answer is chemical point. This is our second problem. Fill in the blanks. Which number appear many times more than others? It means which number is quite significant. It might be number 1 or number 3. The number 1 appears 30 times and the number 3 appears 4 times. So the answer is going to be number 3. In addition, do you prefer reading it from left to right? It's most common way, or from up to bottom. In order to solve this problem, I recommend the other way. Change their order, like this. Can you guess it? The first row is month. January, February, March, April. So, the first blank is going to be number 5. And 3 and 1. It's a calendar. And this is our last problem today. What is the answer? Let's share a logic. First, the last digit of each number only ends with number 0 and 5. Only there are 0 and 5. And I will give a second hint. There are 4 numbers and question mark. 20, 45, 70, 95, and question mark. In this arithmetic sequence, the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. The next number is bigger than the previous number, and the difference between each number is the same. How much is the gap between each number? 25. So, the answer is going to be 120. The logic is totally same with this example. The sequence of these numbers also increases with the same gap between each number. Let's check. We will subtract 35 to 150. The answer is 115. How about 305 minus 155? The answer is 155. Continue with the next number. 420 minus 305. The answer is also 115, same with the first. How come the difference between 305 and 150 is 155? However, the number is only limited up to 5 on the tens in this problem. Are you familiar with this kind of a problem? Basically, when we add 2 addends and the sum exceeds to 10, we carry 1 from ones to tens. Let's have an example. Those are addends, and it's called carry. and this is called the sum. 17 plus 14 equals 31. But in this problem, we cannot find above 5 on tens. Can you guess why there is no number above 5 on tens? Anyway, what time is it now? Why don't you have 1:75 p.m.? Because if it's 1:59 p.m. after a minute, it becomes not 1:60 p.m. but 2 p.m. When we add two addends based on the clock time and the sum exceeded to 60, we carry 1 from minute to hour. Can you guess why we third number is 305 and not 265? Based on my previous explanation, if the number in tens exceeded to 6, we carry 1 to hundreds. The difference is 1/15. So now we will add 1/15 from 650. 650 plus 115 is equivalent to 765. So what's the answer? The number 6 should be changed from 6 to 0 and carry 1 from tens to hundreds. 765 becomes 805 based on clock times. Thank you for your attention and see you next video. Bye bye.